Hey guys, it's your boy Mark. I have an exciting opportunity for you here. We are, as you know, we film a lot of brand new home communities, some high end resales as well. And this one is going to be really exciting because if you wanted basically a brand new home that has been freshly renovated, this is going to have some amazing features. We're keeping in the family too. Hope's husband, who's the first lady of Great Homes ATL, her husband has his own renovation business and going to be doing new builds as well. And I wanted you to be the first to know if you want this one. It's going to probably have a 7 in front of it. We're wrapping up the final materials and final pricing, but expect with a 7 in front of it. So if you like what you see after this video, let us know and we will get you in here as soon as possible. Again, it's a construction zone, so bear with us because it is a renovation, but we are in Atlanta, 320 Kelso, Atlanta 30311. So if you want to be in the city on the west side of town, this will definitely be your opportunity. Atlanta address, in town, 4,000 square feet, 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath. And wait till you see the lot size. It'll be pretty amazing. So what you see is this was pretty much a one level house with a unfinished basement. So it's going to actually, we added another level to it for the second level and then finishing the basement. So you're going to have some amazing square footage that you just don't see for this price point in town. So this entranceway will be clearing out the bushes on both sides, extending this concrete deck right here. It will be about another foot or so on this side and over here. Already you can see some of the renovations, the great accented columns and roof line over here. That will be the 2-car garage. And let's start walking in and seeing what we got. I'm gonna put my light down here because I want to go into the basement in a second, but I'm going to walk you through, try to give you an example of what you're going to see in here. So you're going to see there's not going to be 1 inch of carpet in this home. There's going to be a ton of high-end tile and LVP, which is luxury vinyl planks, otherwise known as RevWood. So automatically, that's a huge winner. You walk in, you're going to have the fireplace. It's going to be gas and electric home, so you're not going to have to rub your 2 twigs together and start a fire. Everything is everything that you'd want in town, sexy, modern, living. You can see the lights going in. Whenever you see that, it's the recessed lighting. So this will be your family room. You're going to have all that LVP flooring down here. Now this is going to be the kitchen, so it's going to be super dramatic when you come in. It's going to have that water table, waterfall island there in the middle, and amazing cabinetry. You got the window here, and then the door, so you have tons of light plus all the recessed lighting that they're going to put in there as well. So it's going to give you that in-town, vibe. The open, airy kitchen, the formal family room. Off of here, you're going to have the 2-car garage, and you can see the really high ceilings. It will definitely fit a truck or SUV as well. And it's going to be very convenient, right? Because when you're coming in, you're bringing in your groceries, unloading the car from when you go shopping, and you're going to be walking, right into your family room and kitchen area. You have your pantry over here as well. I'll show you the backyard in a second. I want to start showing you some of the bedrooms, and then we'll wrap it up with the backyard, which is tremendous. So here's going to be the half bath. So you have your toilet and a floating sink here. I don't know if you can see from the camera. We're still waiting for the electricity to come on as we're working away, but you can see there's some nice tile in here, and it has a nice kind of wave look to it on the wall. Here's bedroom number 1. It's got 2 windows in it, so it's nice, open and bright. Will be great for a guest bedroom. You want somebody out of your hair. Maybe you have kids. You want to give them a wing of a house. or maybe you have multiple kids, you're going to have this Jack and Jill bathroom in between them. Look at how big this tile is too. This is truly totally custom. So it's not a spec home. It's everything. Every single detail has been picked out. So this will be your sink area, and then the tile again around the tub, shower, and then toilet. And then there'll be a door on here. Here's the other bedroom. Again, notice all the light. You're gonna get the character, right, of an in-town house, but all the, again, the modern features. You're gonna have the double door closet here. So again, just some ideas if you have, older parent, can't do a lot of stairs, and you wanna put them on the first level. This would be a great room for that. If you wanna use one of these rooms as a home office, you have a whole nother bedroom. Usually in a lot of the new construction, it's either or, but you actually have 2 bedrooms. So you could, like I said, do a home office and then a bedroom, or just utilize it for both bedrooms. Very, very nice. All right, I'm gonna, like I said, it's a 3-level house. So I'm gonna go down to the basement, because if you've been looking for, how many times have I done tours on new homes and it comes with an unfinished basement? This is literally a whole nother house down here. You're gonna basically have an in-law suite. You could use it as an Airbnb if you want to help offset your your mortgage payment, or you could just have a heck of an entertainment area. So it's gonna have a actual wet bar down here. You can see the water lines already going in. So this is going to be built out with a wet bar area. Over here, you're going to have like the family room, the gathering room, like you did above. So this is where you could put your TV, your couches, a couple chairs. You have a closet down here as well. You can get kind of a preview of some of the unbelievable tile work in here as well. So you can imagine, this is where this is a Lennox HVAC unit too. You're gonna have some more storage over here. So if you're putting away when I'm taping this again, it's December 2022. We're in the middle of the holiday season. So you have any artificial trees, ornaments that you pack up, that would be a great area. Or, you could store your tools, stuff like that. So it's a true closet for that. So again, you're gonna have the features like I said, water, sinks, all that stuff that a wet bar gives you, and then the family room as well. But that's not it. Got 2 washrooms in this house, which we'll take a look at. The second one is a cool feature as well. But see the tile again going down, washing machine, dryer, and you have plenty of space to add your ironing boards, laundry baskets. This is going to be a killer bathroom here. You can see the tile, using my little light feature here, my little lamp. But look at the details in the tile. You can see the herringbone style, this glossy, huge overextended. This is not even 12 by 12. This is just like gigantic tile. Very glossy look. There'll be a glass door on it as well. You have your floating sink again, your toilet. And then this is like a foyer walkway. It'll be going out to your backyard. You have your sub pump, which you always want on a basement home in case of any kind of flooding or anything like that. Closet. So you got this walkway, right? Leading back towards there, you got your bathroom, got your family room, got a laundry room, and got that wet bar area. And then you have a bedroom down here with a window, and you could definitely fit a king size bed without a doubt. You could even create like a little sitting room if you wanted to, like a love seat or couch. And then you have a walk-in closet. Pretty amazing. So, like I said, this would be perfect for you want to entertain. This is perfect if you have an aging parent. If you have a kid that has graduated from college and they're going on a job interviews and you want to rent out the space to them or any other family member or friend, or just make it your own. Make it for enjoying that man or woman cave. All right, let's head upstairs. have 3 levels in town is pretty insane. You're gonna see trim, like a trim wall, accented trim wall along here and along here. And then you have bedroom number 4. High ceilings, 9-foot ceilings on this level. This bedroom is gonna have its own bath. Look at again the tile. Let's just try to show you the details in it. Swirl marble look, beautiful. Be a sink, toilet. Again, we're not talking about those plastic insert tub showers. This is details that you're really looking for. A little stainless steel there, action for your shampoos, soaps, conditioners. Glass door will be on there as well. Walk-in closet. And I'm gonna take a moment of silence when we walk into this primary bedroom and bath. Try not to fall out, try not to faint, giving you a warning. You probably have never seen something like this, especially under $1 million. All right, we're walking into the primary bedroom. You're gonna have the sconce lighting with the anchor of the 2 windows on both sides. You could kind of see a preview. There's going to be not just a little deck, a huge deck off of it. But here we go. We wrap it around. This is where you're going to put your bed, probably on this wall, because you're going to have a fireplace. You could do, again, these are 9-foot ceilings, so you could do canopy, California king, Alaskan king, some build outs on both sides, but this is actually a fireplace right here. And again, you're going to be able to flick on a switch, because you have the gas line and electric in here. I want to give you dimensions. This is a high-end renovation. So master with sitting area, primary with sitting. You see the details of the tile. Now, get ready. I'm warning you, if you're sipping on something, put the cup down because you're about to gag. You ready? The bathroom. Look at this. Herringbone. It's going to be a huge 7-foot soaking tub. Vanities on each side. The windows underneath this big soaking tub, but the shower, guys. It's going to have a 3-foot kind of rain that's going to fall down on you from the middle section. Then you have the 2 shower heads and faucets on both sides. And yeah, you basically you feel like you're pretty much like, for a baseball reference, you're in a dugout. That's how big this is. It could be very sexy for the 2 of you, or it could be a party. Hey, something that you really haven't seen before. And then this closet, you're going to have like the island where you can sit down too as well. The transom window. And you're gonna have a washroom, wash closet, I would call it, inside of here as well, which will have either like a frosted door or barn door above it, or in front of it. So it's gonna be super sexy. We're just talking with the builder, thinking maybe add some kind of light or a chandelier in here as well. See how that turns out. But have you ever seen a bathroom this size? It's incredible. Off of here, you have the deck, and I want to show you the backyard. So this will be tiled. Yes, when you see this is going to be fully tiled. Look at the details to kind of match what you saw of the columns in the front of the house. And they're just deciding on what color paint to paint the exterior. There's a lot of white houses around here, so I want to kind of give it a pop of color. At that wrought iron look in between with the pickets, and then the deck. And look at his backyard. Overextended back deck. Inside the city, 30311 with a 7, not $1 million plus. You're seeing 4,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. If you're interested, hit us up or hit Hope up if you want to grab this before it goes out to the MLS and FMLS systems and Zillow and all those big ones. Because once it's listed, it's going to be gone. You're going to see a lot of great landscaping here and all that. So hit us up, guys. Very exciting. Talk to you soon.